How to unfollow everyone on threads at once. And can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Threads app. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. And when you are on this page right here, you will have two options to access your following and followers list. The first one is to simply click on, as you can see, under the bio and on top of the edit profile button, you see it says one follower. If you click on it, you will be taken to the followers and following etc section of your Threads account. Or you can simply from the profile page right here, click on the globe icon at the top left corner of your screen, this one right here, and from there click on profiles you follow, and you will be brought to the same previous page where you will be able to find your followers and following list on your Threads account. Now once you are on the following list right here, as you can see, you have no option to unfollow everyone at once. And the only way that you can do this is to do it manually by clicking unfollow next to each profile to unfollow it, as you can see. And if you head over to the pending section, pending following list, you will see at the bottom it has the option that says cancel all, in which if you click it you will get this confirmation box, and if you click confirm you will be able to unfollow all of them at the same time. Unfortunately, this option is not available for the following list right here, and the only way to do so as of right now is to do it manually. Maybe in the future the Threads app will get and make that option available also for the following list, but as of right now the only way to do so is to just go through them manually and unfollow all of them. Now keep in mind that there will be some apps and websites that will come up and claim that they can do this and they can unfollow all of your following list at once, but I advise you from now not to use them, as they might be harmful or dangerous to your account, since they ask for personal information such as your emails and password, etc. So till that time, maybe when on the Threads app make that option available, stay safe and do it manually, and that's it. So I hope that you got your answer. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.